Welcome back, dear YouTubers. I have this product for you to show you. I picked up this Jack brand XL3000 steel. This is a 3-ton 2,722 kilo professional steel floor jack. I found it at Costco. I bought it. It says Arcan professional tool, compliance with SME Phase 2019 standard. What else it says? Heavy duty, all steel construction, safety valve prevents overloading. Dual pump, this is good. Dual pump for rapid lift to the load. Universal joint release mechanism. Provides precise control. 2-piece handle with a bumper pad. Very nice. Let's look at the box. Item number 1680383. Says 6,000 pounds. 6,000 pounds. Wow. And here on the side on this picture it shows you the 2 pumps. Let's open up the box. So we have this manual, we have some paperwork. Before operating, follow the instructions, secure jack handles, valves together. Okay, this is one handlebar. I think this is like extension to this. And here's the jack. Nice. This is a rubber pad. That's 3-ton, 2,722 kilo. It looks very nice. Alright, let's take it out of the box. I attached this handle. There's a little button here. And there was this plastic piece that was there, like sitting inside there. I removed that. This is where we put this handle. And I think here we can also put this nut to secure it so the handle won't fall off. But look at this, model number stamped XL3000. Says made in Vietnam. Part number. This is our 2 dual cylinders. So overall, I feel like this is very solid jack stand. All heavy metal, heavy duty. Even says professional floor jack. It's heavy. When you try to get out of the box, it's heavy. Pump it up. Pumps very nice and easy. And here's this bolt that's supposed to go here. So the handle doesn't fall out. So when you turn it, now you can lift the car. See, it's lifting. It goes nice and easy. Let's see how high this thing goes. Wow, that's pretty high. I think this is it. Yep, this is it. It stops. There's a spring inside here. Oh, this can easily lift my car up. Look how high. Nice. Has a nice welding points everywhere, I've noticed. Here, there's like a little bar here, like a extra support. So nice welding points. Good steel, very thick steel, because this thing is heavy. Alright, I like that there's this pad. So if you want to release the jack, you want to lower it, just turn it. See, you're turning it here and it's going down. Since there is no vehicle on the top, it goes nice and slow. Let's give it a little push. Awesome. And I believe here, this nozzle, that's where we have the grease to connect the grease gun. Yeah, everything is already greased in this jack stand. I can see grease over there here. I like that there's this double cylinder. see, double cylinder. And also there's this bolt, so you don't lose your handle. This thing won't come out. There's a sticker inside, says safety valve, do not adjust. So yeah, do not adjust. Now let's try lifting my SUV. Well, this is my Venza, and I like that this is like low profile jack. Look how low this goes. This is our lifting point right there. I'm gonna go right on there. Now before we lift the car, turn this handle all the way to the right to lock this lock it up. This is where the original jack stand goes, the factory one, right there. Okay. Very easy to lift. See, I put it right there. That's where original jack stand goes. You can put it on the frame of the car. So let's try lifting it up with one hand. Super easy. This jack is awesome. Very smooth, very easy to operate. Lift the car with one hand, no problem. I can still go higher and higher. It can go like even this higher, but there's no need. The wheel is in the air. I can put my jack stands and that's it. And if you want to lower it, all you do, just turn it slightly to the left. Nice and smooth operation. That's it. Very nice jack, low profile, very smooth operation. So if you have a vehicle that's low to the ground, you can easily fit this jack underneath. Look at this. Nice. These wheels, solid steel wheels. No plastic materials. It's good. Same thing with these wheels. All metal, steel. And this booklet that they included, it shows you all the parts, handles, handle lock, rear casters, screw. You can remove this cover plate. There's like 2 screws, yanker yoke, handle, lift arm, front wheels. Everything describes. I'm telling you about the setup. And here it's a breakdown of parts. It shows you nicely part lists. Very easy. Number 32, this is a grease fitting. See, I was right. That's the grease fitting. That's where you can connect the grease gun and grease this jack. All the parts. Very nice. There's a number for the company. Limited warranty. Power Station LLC warrants to its customers that the company Power Station LLC branded products are free from defect in workmanship and material. What is this? This product carries 1-year warranty. During this warranty period, Power LLC will repair, replace options, many parts in which proves to be defective in material and workmanship. Good quality jack stand with a good customer support. So if you want to lift the car, turn it to the right, done, and start lifting. I want to see how high it will go, and we're going to measure it. Nice and smooth, so easy to operate. That's 21 inch from the ground to the top. That's tall. That is a good height. You can lift the car 21 inches off the ground. Look at this. Look at these welding points here. Nice and even. Here. Very good. spring, double cylinders over there. There's a pin right there. So you can take it apart if you ever need to replace some parts or something. It's a heavy duty jack stand. Heavy duty. There's a nice welding spot here. Caster wheels. I think you can replace these too if you want to. Another cool part is when this screw is in, it's tight, you can just pull this jack by the handle and this handle doesn't come out, and then twist it counterclockwise. It lowers nice and smooth. Arcan professional tools, 3000 steel, nice. Made Vietnam. I want to show you from this other angle, this double cylinder. There you have it. The spring there. Made in 723. Nice, brand new jack. This is our cylinder in the bottom. I'm keeping it. So this is the front of the jack. It's about a little bit less than 3 inches, almost 3 inches tall. The front end, right in the middle, it's about 4, and all in the back. As you see, 6.5. Also, this jack is about 26 inches in length. And about 13 inches or so, I would say 14 inches from this wheelbase to this wheelbase. Also, look how nice it fits under my workbench. Slide it under there. Perfect. All my tools look red. The jack stands, the jack. Got this box here, Milwaukee tools. Everything is red. Nice color, I love it.